Good morning to everyone. And, a warm welcome to Mr. Sowmik Nandy Majumder and Ms. P.U. Mahapatra, who is the initiator of this entire program with a lot of efforts and coordination. And dear children and my dear colleagues, especially dear children, this is a very great opportunity for you all. What all the possibilities we have in art, in the process of your learning in art, like you are in a very early stage, being in the 4th class. And from now onwards, this is the right time to develop interest, and you all should understand the various possibilities in the art and try to become an expert in the next 10 years of time. There is a long journey for you in the art, in the learning of art. And by interacting with the senior people, Mr. Sowmik and Ms. P.U. Mahapatra will help you to develop the learning path in the art. Thank you, Mr. Sowmik, for your time, and thank you very much, Ms. P.U. Mahapatra.
Good morning, Dr. Sowmik. A warm greetings from Laurel High Global School from Majumder. And on behalf of the school management, parents, students, staff members, I'm really happy to see you on this hybrid model, which was initiated by our head of the department, Visual Art. So in the new academic year, we started with this Student Enrichment Lecture Series, definitely with your support that you have accepted our invitation. Really thanks for this. And I'm really thanks to Ms. P.U. that with your coordination and with your initiation, we have started our first enrichment series, lecture series of this new academic year. So, Dr. Sowmik, basically we are a school with a vision of creating opportunities for all the students. So, as you can see back of me, the grade 4 students, they are the enthusiastic students who are really keen on creating and producing the art as one of the important learning in their curriculum. And with the help and support and guidance of Ms. P.U., we have done a lot of programs in the last academic year with a lot of workshops. So, Dr. Sowmik, it is our really great pleasure that you are with us, and we hope that this 1 hour of sessions, which you will be taking, definitely our students and the staff members will enjoy.
Thank you once again to everybody, and a very special good morning to the children. Dear students, I'm so happy to see all of you over there, and I will be happier if I can come over one day to your school, offline, not online, and do some interactive workshops with you and do more than what I can actually do today online. But today, whatever we will be doing for the next 30-40 minutes will be only a kind of introduction to what we usually do in this kind of sessions when we meet to not draw or paint, but to see art, to see pictures. You can always say that we do see pictures, we do see paintings. Of course you do. You see sculptures, you see paintings, you see a lot of art in and around. You also see nature, you also see trees, you see sky, you see birds, animals, you see people, human beings, you see cars, houses, buildings, whatnot. But then it is so much fun to look at art, to see art from different points with different kinds of, let us say, challenges. And also, when I make, you can also make that. When we can make looking at art something not just looking, but also it's like you become a detective. You investigate, you explore, you try to see what is not there in the art. You see more than you can see. So then looking can become really a great fun, a great joy. And in the process, we all learn to look at art more than we can see. So it is not just one session or one meeting. We actually require more such sessions, and it can be conducted by different teachers who can come and make you look at art with different issues, subjects, topics. And then looking at art becomes really very enjoyable.